If its modal showing is false, then you will need to hide the rules and update the rules button text. So we would have an else here, and below your if, add an else clause. Inside your else clause, update the text content of the rules button. So again, we would have to access the element and then assign the text content to access the element and then modify the content of that element. And we would have to assign the string show rules. And below that, use to update the display part property of the rules container. Okay, but first you would have to access the element and then access the CSS with the use of style from our JavaScript with the use of style, and then change its display, and that display would be to none, which is essentially hiding the element. So that would be it. Nice.